at me. Welcome to the intro. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Knob. Knob. Alright. You knob. Not bad. You knob. Is this my fellow XR guy? Alright. You knob. You knob. Matty knew you was a knobhead. Alright, knobhead, knobhead, knobhead. Alright, knobhead. Alright, alright. You absolute knob. Alright, knobhead. Alright, you absolute knob. Knobhead. Knobhead. Alright. Knobhead. That was a mixed bunch. Knob. Knobhead.
But they're absolutely fine. Oh,
there he is. Knobhead. He's letting on. Alright, knobheads. Alright, you knob.
Oh, that killed him to let on that.
Knobhead. Knob. Knob. What are knobs about? Because it goes back to one lane in a minute, knobhead. Thank you, knobhead. Scooter guy. Alright? You ignorant. I'll try and get a zoom on that then, what he done. Because my visor was up, I looked right into his soul through his eyes and he was clearly a knob. Oh, this knob's gone to the right here to not let me past. Knobhead. Don't be going to the right, knobhead. Who's this baby guy? Alright? You knob! There we go. Alright?
He didn't let on.
You! Oh! Everyone knows what he is. You knob. Don't indicate. Knobhead. Alright. His mate was a knobhead. Alright. Knobhead. Alright. Knob. Knob! Alright. You knob. You bearded knob.
Let on, didn't I?
Did I? Alright. Sorry, mate. Lovely beard. Not bad. Not bad. The mint birds of prey.
Oh,
absolutely mint. No, it's just a crow. You little knobhead. My guy. Knobhead. You knob. Knobhead. Alright. Knobhead. Thank you. Knobhead. Thank you. Knobhead. Knob.
Why would you
say
that?
You knob. Knobhead. Thank you. Knobhead. Go into the line.
But, oh, boom.
You knob. You're beeping at knobhead. Alright, knobhead.
Why has he stopped that far from the lights?
Oh, I'll tell you why. Because he's a knob. Alright? He's giving me a nod, the little one. Obviously, they weren't knobs. Like the dad. That was clever, wasn't it, knobhead? You can't just stop on a road, you knob. Alright? You knob! You knob! Alright? You knob. And
you've never let on.
Two knobs. Alright? You pair of knobs.
Yeah.
Knobhead. Alright? You ignorant knob! I made eye contact with him.
Jesus Christ.
Move over. Knob. Alright? Knobhead. Alright? Knobhead. Alright? You knob. Knob.
You ignorant knobhead. Isn't that what you say?
Yeah. Alright? You knob. Knob. If someone kicks off because I call them a knob, that's fair enough because I've called them a knob, alright? Doesn't mean I don't think they're a knob at the time for whatever they've done. It's nothing personal. Everyone's a knob.
It's hopeless.
I might have to edit that out.